Apostolic Church of Apostle Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. The journey of the gospel of Jesus Christ, who commissioned his servant Ernest Paul Muhajir of Africa, continues. Today, the leaders of the African Apostolic Church, led by Mutsis Ernest Paul Muhajir of Africa, including Bishop Ingon Edward Muhajir, Chairman Bishop Elson Tafa, General Secretary Bishop Richard Juru, Reverend Ratimba, Muprofita Mambariza, and Muprofita Mushaikwa, he have arrived at King Shaka International Airport in Durban and welcomed by the leaders of the African Apostolic Church in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. We are going to have our leaders all this week, and we are going to converge our holy gathering on Saturday, 5 June 2021 at Open Space opposite Sibongilsala Primary School, Waterloo, Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. For more information, please feel free to contact Bishop Mache on 081-5001800, Reverend Mujongo on 0744-513968, Reverend Maswera on 078-98952220.